Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn space into a folder in the Arc browser. So if you have a space with lots of pinned tabs, then you can pretty much convert the whole space into one folder and have it in another space. So let's say I want to have everything that I have over here moved into a folder into this space over here. In order to do that, what we need to do is simply right click on an empty area, and then we have the option turn, then we have the name of the space into folder. Then if we hover over this option, we have to choose which space we want to go into. So I'm gonna choose space 1, and then let's go back to space 1, and over here now everything that I had in the previous space is now converted into just a folder. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!